Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize, I have the same makeup look on for like the next few videos, but this look came out so pretty. I really like it, and I'm doing a big filming night tonight with Christmas coming up. I wanted to get a bunch of stuff pre-filmed, so that is why. I did try changing my hair a little bit and my shirt, so it's not completely the same. But anyways, I have a fun mystery box unboxing for you guys, and it is a Tarte mystery box, which I'm so excited. I haven't tried any new Tarte products for a long time. I used to love them. Like, I used to be obsessed with Tarte stuff, and I've kind of gotten off the bandwagon for a little bit. I don't know. It just seemed like they were releasing so much and I couldn't keep up, so I kind of took a break. I do still use like their Shape Tape foundation, or is it called Shape Tape or Face Tape? I think it's Face Tape. But yeah, I haven't tried a ton from them recently, so I thought this would be a fun mystery box to get. I noticed they came out with these for, I think, Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I'll link them down below if they are still available, but they could be sold out. It's very possible. So this is called a Mystery Mix-Up Discovery Set. It's $54, and it's supposed to have a $130 value, which I thought was pretty good. It's a little more than half, and it says it includes 3 full-size makeup goodies, which one is supposed to be a palette, also 2 travel size treats, and a makeup bag. So I don't know, I wasn't sure how I felt about like having travel size, but since there's a palette in here, that's probably worth a lot, and hopefully I don't have the palette already. I seem to get a lot of Tarte and BoxyCharm, so we'll see. I'm really excited to see what's in here, so let's get into the unboxing. Alright. So this is really cute. It comes in this little Tarte bag, and it has little kisses on it. So adorable. I'll go ahead and do the palette first. Is this, oh, okay, maybe. I think this is the newer version. I don't know. It says Clay Play Must Have Eye and Cheek Palette. I do already own the original Clay Play, so I was a little bit nervous, but okay, yeah, this is the new one. So this is what it looks like. You have some different matte shadows. Sorry, this is a little bit blinding here. You have some matte shadows as well as a highlight, blush, and bronzer. So I definitely have not tried this version. I have the original one, which I really like. I'm so glad it's not that one, because I would have been pretty disappointed if I had gotten that. But I am excited to try this one. I don't know if this one's usually on sale on their website or not. You guys will have to let me know. But this looks really nice. The colors look really pretty. And I like that it has a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter in here. So I am pleased to get this palette. So this next thing, okay, this must be the makeup bag. So it's like a little paint splatter makeup bag here. I don't know if I would use this. I have so many different makeup bags from like Ipsy that, I don't know, this one's just not like my favorite, but it's fine. Next thing we have, okay, so they sent over their Tardis Lash Paint Mascara. I think, is this one I like? I can't remember. There's so many different ones that they come out with, but we did get this mascara. I'll go ahead and open it. I don't remember trying this one, but this is what it looks like. I think I might have tried it a while ago. Here is the wand. I do like Tarte mascara, so I'll definitely give that a shot. We also got here, this is a Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick. I do enjoy these lipsticks from them. I haven't had a new one in a while, so this is exciting. I got the shade COLADA, which I'm wondering if this is going to be shimmery or what. Let's see. Okay, that's actually a nice shade. It's more neutral, but I really love this lipstick formula. They feel so nice on the lips. They're so pigmented. So I'm really glad that we got a nude, and I don't have this shade, so that is good. I'll swatch it for you too. Oh yeah, I like this a lot. It's kind of a warmer nude. Okay, next we got, this is a little mini. This is the Man Eater Mascara Mini. It's really tiny, but I do like the Man Eater. And then we also got this, which is the Tarte Skincare Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. This seems like a decent size. I think they do sell this size on their website. It's not full size, but it's not like a mini. So this is what it looks like. Tarte does have some pretty good skincare. And this one almost smells like almost lavender scented. It feels nice, so I'll definitely give that a shot. And I think that is everything in my bag. Let me go over that again because I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, so it says, oh, maybe I'm not. So 3 full size, 2 travel size. This is tiny though. Like that is like the tiniest sample ever. So our full size items were the palette and the mascara and the lipstick. I'll go ahead and add these together. So those 3 products came out to $89. And then adding in this moisturizer, that would equal about $14 with a total of $103. So I would say we about got our double our money's worth. This I probably wouldn't count as anything, to be honest, as well as the makeup bag. So I didn't really count those, but we did get double, so that's nice. Basically, we paid for this palette essentially and got the other stuff for free. I am happy with this palette. I feel like it's a nice everyday kind of palette. The lipstick color was nice that they did a neutral and not like a crazy out there color. And I'll definitely use the mascara. So I feel like I would use everything in this bag. So for that, I would say it was pretty good. I would have loved to get 5 full-size products, but I like that they didn't like totally be skimpy about the bag and include stuff that's like kind of boring and that it's always on sale and nobody really wants. So I feel like they did a decent job there. I personally wish I got maybe a little bit more, not such a tiny mascara size with that one. Like if they did a full size of this moisturizer, that would have been amazing. But I think it was a pretty decent bag. It's one of the better mystery bags that I've tried. You guys know I've tried some pretty bad ones. Like the balm one was not my favorite. The Morphe ones were good. I'm trying to think of what else I've tried. Sometimes with Ipsy bags, those are always hit or miss as well. So I think this one was okay. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'll link this if it is still available. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.